In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Google Slides from your Windows computer. As you can see, I have here my Google Slides program that I'll wish to permanently uninstall it. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to uninstall this, you'll need this program called Control Panel on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you don't see this Control Panel shortcut, then go to Start menu and then search for Control Panel. And here it is. If you tap on it, you will be taken to Control Panel items. Here look for this option called Programs and Features. If you tap on it, this will list all the programs installed on your Windows computer. Now from the list, if you look for Google Slides, you will not find it. This is because Google Slides is a product that comes with Google Drive. As you can see, I have Google Drive here, and by installing Google Drive, I was able also to get Google Docs, Google Sheets, as well as Google Slides. So to uninstall Google Slides, you'll need to look for Google Drive app and then uninstall it. So from this, I'll just go to Google Drive here, and now if I uninstall Google Drive, I lose all the other programs. So if you are okay, proceed and tap on Google Drive, and now you can see we have this option to uninstall. If you don't see this option, you should go to Google Drive and right click on it, and then you'll also have the same option. Click on this and confirm that indeed you want to uninstall Google Slides from your Windows computer. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Google Slides from your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.